Good morning, YouTube. Louie here with the best silver gold deals of Monday, January 6th, 2025. Lots going on in the markets today and some news. All right, quite a bit of news actually. Let's go on to Kitco, and we have got gold down $10.80 to 2006.29, and silver up 30 cents to 29.80 up 88. Had been up as much as nearly 70 cents or so, and falling back just recently here, but there's news moving the silver market. Okay, GSR, as we were up at 91 recently, now in a flash we're back down to 88.42 with the downside, immediate downside to 83, a midterm downside to 78, and a very long-term downside to 65. Just remember, as we move forward, you had the chance to swap gold for silver at a 91-to-1 ratio. Look back in time and see if maybe you should have done that. Okay, in the 10-year yield is up this morning just a hair at 4.61. It was 4.62 and then as low as 4.58. The market really gyrating here over the news that President Trump is reversing his tariff policy. Yep, that was just a negotiating tactic. And now he is saying instead of across-the-board tariffs, he is going to do targeted tariffs. The market has seen that as positive news, and you can see it in the dollar, and this is what's weakening the dollar. The dollar down almost a full percentage point to 107.96 because it was wrecking the world at those high levels. And with a little backing off on the tariff rhetoric, the dollar is now falling, okay, so against other currencies which are rising. And that is putting the tailwind behind silver, but the higher 10-year bond rates are putting the headwind to gold, and this is why we see the GSR dropping. Remember, silver is an industrial metal, and that moves the market just as much as the monetary side. Today, it is the industrial side that is moving silver. And here you can see it in the copper chart, up 10 cents to 4.18. Commodities are going to take a run here, I think, for this entire year, I believe. Okay, but you couldn't necessarily see it today, but you want to buy commodities when they're cheap, not when they're expensive. Today, which is the 6th, we have S&P PMI at 9:45 Eastern, factory orders. Tuesday, we have Fed head speaker, ISM services, and job openings. Wednesday, ADP employment, minutes from the FOMC meeting, consumer credit, and Thursday, initial jobless claims. So we'll see if we can get a rally all the way into initial jobless claims. I think silver could easily have a 31 handle here. But you never know. Fear Greed Index is backing up a little bit, still in the fear category, but only 32 now. And we've got Dow futures up 244, S&P futures up 51, NASDAQ futures up 236. Very interesting. And Bitcoin making another run at 100,000. It is 99,219. We'll see how that plays out. Let's get going to the deals. All right, we got a lot going on here. All right, out of assay 1 gram gold is 97 bucks at Scottsdale, and in assay gold is 103 at Hero Bullion. We have a 1/10 gold eagle at bullion exchanges 296. We have a 1/10 gold maple is 291 at Liberty. We have 1/10 gold Britannia is 281 at Liberty. Sovereign getting cheaper there. Okay, a 1/4 ounce gold eagle if you need the go-to American Standard, 717, 717 at Bold Precious Metals. A 1/4 ounce Britannia if you want to go outside the United States is 703 at Bold. These are all BU coins unless I say otherwise. A 1/2 ounce gold eagle is 1,398 at bullion exchanges. A 1/2 ounce maple is 1,384 at Liberty Coin. Best prices I can find anywhere on the internet. And of course, I'm looking at the website, bestsilvergolddeals.com, where you can subscribe and you can get alerts as well. Okay, all totally free. Half ounce gold Britannia, best I can find on the internet, 1,372 in BU form. Half ounce Krugerrand, different seller, back to Summit Metals, 1,364 for a gold Krugerrand. Moving on, we have got a 1 ounce gold Eagle at 2,709 at bullion exchanges. A 1 ounce gold Buffalo is 2,720 at Bold. A 1 ounce gold Maple is 2,694 at bullion exchanges. AU maple, a circulated maple, 2,659. Boy, look at that premium come off if it was circulated. Don't touch your gold, guys. Pretty good deal, though. Okay, Britannia 1 ounce gold is 2,684 at bullion exchanges. A St. Gaudens Double Eagle in BU uncirculated form, 2,589. That'd be pretty. All right, and a 1 ounce gold Krugerrand, which is usually the cheapest of the sovereign foreign gold, is 2,644, and that is about $10 over spot. Vermilion Enterprises will buy that back at 2% back of spot, making that a very good buy-sell spread if you just want to do foreign gold. And the 20 franc is about 504. The gold in assay, 1 ounce gold in assay, 2,649 for a Valcambi bar at bullion exchanges. Platinum just getting more expensive here on its march back to 1,000. But the Platinum Eagles, the collector coin, not a stacker coin, 1,138 at Hero Bullion. If you just want a regular old sovereign platinum coin, they are 1,023 at bullion exchanges. That is a Britannia today. And platinum out of assay, 1,000. No, platinum. 1,015 for a platinum bar in assay, and a palladium bar in assay, 1,033 as platinum kicks palladium's butt. Okay, we got Eagles, new players here in the BU. We've got Hero Bullion at 33.90, any quantity pricing for a random silver eagle. Those need to be uncirculated. I think I checked this. Yes, uncirculated. They should be perfect. And if you're going to do a tube of 20, you want to get over to Pinehurst. Consistently has very good prices on silver eagles in larger quantities. 33.41 for a random year BU silver eagle. And if you're playing the Walmart game, don't let them charge you sales tax, guys. And just click away and give up if they try to. But these are 33.50. 673. Why can't I do that math in my head? 673 divided by 20 is 33.65. Now, if you check out through PayPal and they don't cancel your order and you have that 3% PayPal card, you can do times 0.97. And then this would get you 32.64 on silver eagles. But often it doesn't work. They cancel it. Your PayPal card, my PayPal card is like completely useless right now. I got to find a new credit card. I think they have flagged me because I have a business account. Anyway, you can play the Walmart game if you want. Off-quality silver eagles are out. You guys cleaned them out. What was it, Hero or Monument Metals? I can't remember, but check Vermilion. He's got some off-quality eagles that he is selling today. More news on Vermilion. I'll summarize that for you in a minute. Okay, and yeah, you guys clean them out of those off-quality silver eagles. It's very, very useful here to have a community that gives and takes, and people provide information, and then you can use that information. People buy some of these deals. Sometimes they take a little risk when they do so, and then it comes in better than expected. They tell you guys, then you buy something and you tell them. Is nothing like a community of over 1,000 people here that are just trying to find the best deals. Okay, leave all the rhetoric behind and just use the community to gather information to make your best purchase. Okay, over at Vermilion Enterprises, I'll just do this now. He updated his minimums. All right, so now he will sell you 20 ounces of silver, okay, or 30 face value of junk. He will ship that for $15. Do you need to know any more? Brian is back, baby. Yeah, he heard your feedback loud and clear, and now you can make small orders again. And his Silver Eagles are 4 over spot. His generic is anywhere from spot to 50 cents over. And his constitutional is 50 cents over. If you buy from him, get the dimes. He's probably going to throw some mercs in there with your rosies. Okay, so 50 cents over for junk. Might be cheaper on Coinhuskers. Check him out as well. And if you get over $3,000, he'll give you free shipping. So that is good in the neighborhood. I love it. Okay, Summit Metals has got BU 25 Silver Eagles. They won't spot on you. 32.42. Not bad this morning. Kangaroos over at Summit are 33.15. And Britannia's are over at Summit, 32.69. The new player flexing his muscles. And Krugerrands are 32.73. Well, they're having a party there over at Summit Metals. Okay, I'm going to skip the Libertads this morning and the Star Privy Eagles. And you know they're spotting, right? I don't need to keep telling you that. Out of the tube, in the tube, etc. They're spotting. The only thing up at Costco I saw this morning was the Pamp Buffaloes at 31 a coin. And if you get your 4% rebates, you'll be under $30. You'll be around spot on those Pamp Buffaloes. Don't expect to get a premium on those, but they are very nice. I didn't see anything else up this morning. The Platinum is sold out at $1,000. Okay, in the junk category, new player is SD Bullion, 22 times face for random junk, and looks like it is totally random. They're saying they're going to send you some mercs. They're going to send you some barbers. I don't know. We'll see if that comes up slick. If you guys buy that deal, let us know what you get. Okay, a larger lot is going to be in the 21s from Bullion Exchanges, 21.50. Silver only up 10 cents now. Oh boy, they really hammered silver on that 60-70 cent move. I think this tariff story, though, will stick. I mean, he was never going to do across-the-board enormous tariffs on, if you follow Trump, you know that he opens with a cannon and then he retreats with single fire until he gets, he makes gains. That's what he's doing on the tariff story, and scared the hell out of everybody, scared the hell out of the markets, and now we're getting reality coming back into the markets. But I think the reality is the tariffs will not be as destructive as people thought. If you want a quantity of 20 silver buffaloes, they are 30.36 over at Pinehurst Coins. Probably a pretty good day to buy with positive news with the dollar dropping here. If you're looking for a kilo, those are now $9.87 at Bold Precious Metals. That's a random kilo. And we got a hundy that's pretty over here at SD Bullion. Yeah, they're throwing out the babies with the bathwater over there, and nobody wants 100-ounce bars, but maybe you do. And I've got one or two of these, and I just love these pressed Engelhard bars. 31.03 if you want to pay up $1 for a pretty 100-ounce bar. The coin shop won't give you any more for it. But you could buy that. You're in it at $1 over spot. Brian will buy that back at Vermilion for $1 back a spot. And, or you can sell it in the aftermarket when prices reverse back up. They're nice bars. Okay, I'm not going to do the gold flowing hair this morning or the Star Privies, but I am going to do Silver Eagles. People finding deals on Silver Eagles. Let's see how cheap they get this morning. I thought there was a cheaper deal. I'm just going to lower my boundary a little bit and see if anything else pops up in the Silver Eagle category. Okay, we're going to start with culls. Okay, let's see. The lower boundary was too high. Well, there's a roll of BU Silver Eagles. Oh, it's gone. Okay, too cheap. These are probably all gone, these 5.99s. What is that? What was this person doing? Yeah, some kind of ruse going on there. Look at that. Look at all those 5.99s there. I don't know what's up with that. I would not touch that with a 10-foot pole. Okay, they are 32.65, about 31.65 out the door for Cull Eagles from Liberty Coin, but that is not the seller that was giving Silver Hair Stacker those great culls. If you want to go to bullion.com and get beautiful BU random year Eagles, they are 34 coin. A 3% rebate can be had with the check out through PayPal with a 3% PayPal credit card, which does not cap, and the 3% American Express credit card. The new card that I'm exploring is the Alliant credit card. You can spend $10,000 per month and get 2.5% cash back. A lot of these other cards will give you higher cash back, but they cap out so fast, I can't even buy an ounce of gold with my sales tax limits in California. Anyway, so 33-ish for Silver Eagles on eBay. If you don't do that Walmart deal, that'll probably be your best deal. Let's get back over to the Tuba 20 over at Pinehurst. Was that cheaper than 33? Where'd it go? Here we go. Is that cheaper than 33? They are 33.15, so you save 15 cents. All right, nothing to write home about. Let's get back to eBay, and let's go over to, what do we want to do? Oh my gosh. We'll do junk. Small lot of junk this morning is going to be $10 face, 22.4 times face, minus 3%. And then moving on to maples. Maples are 8.24 is the cheapest. Britannias are 8.29. Kangaroos are 8.25. These are all more expensive than yesterday. And the Krugerrands, I think, were the cheapest yesterday, and they are 8.29 today. I'll let you do the math and see if that's cheaper than the deals above, but certainly more than the weekend. All right, and in a lot, big lot of junk, 23.8 times face. I don't dig that price that much. Okay, Carson City Morgans in MS63 are going, the GSA Horde slab, 325. Carson City Morgan Blast White, very, very nice. It's only an MS63, which makes it cheaper, but it's a Carson City, which makes it in very, very low mintage. And if you want to go up the food chain, you can get the 65s, the money coins, and well, hell, those are $500. But look at that, Carson City MS65 in the slab. There's one right there. That is an NGC holder. Look at that. You buy that all day long and tuck that away for your family. That's the kind of thing you probably ought to leave your family. You know, they're just going to dump your bullion when you die unless you really train them well. Oh, I don't know. What do I know? Okay, let's keep going. And you can get the peace dollars in the slab for $50. You can't beat that. How about silver libertads? What are they selling the 5-ounce libs for? These are the 2000. No, these are random 5-ounce libs. They're going for 201. Not bad. I paid 185. But they're cheaper at the dealer, so don't buy them here. Okay, the cheapest kilo this morning is 1012, under $1,000. No great shake there. Here's the vintage bar of the day. I have one of these, and I just like this bar. It's California Crown, and there's a few of them out there, but this one looks to be particularly nice. And I'll tell you, I can't find any deals on vintage silver anymore. It's starting to go back up. And anyway, if you're going to pay $400, that's a nice little bar. It just looks good in your display case. I'll tell you what. Okay, how about a kilo kook? Kilo kook, 1052 this morning, and take $30 off. Not bad. A roll of kooks is 711. Ooh, 35, 34 after rebates for a tube of kooks from Pinehurst, and they are 2024s. I don't mind that image. Yeah, I don't mind that at all. If you want a coin that you can put away for posterity that will never degrade, man, it's the kooks. And, you know, you'll get a couple dollar premium for those back at the coin shop probably. So you pay 34. Yeah, you know, it's going to be about $3-4 more than you pay for a random round, but very, very nice sovereign silver. Mintage 500,000, I believe, on those every year. There are still collectors. How about a large ounce of 1 ounce? A large lot of 1 ounce rounds. 31.35, about 30.35 out the door, about 50 cents over spot. Okay, not bad on eBay, not bad. Johnson Matthey bars, anything good in here? Yeah, I just can't really find a good deal on 10-ounce Johnson Mattheys. I mean, just the pressed bars. If you want poured, just add it to the title here. Poured, let's see, these new ones. Man, those look terrible. Look at this. This guy has beat these up to make it look old. I'm telling you, scammers on eBay, watch out for them. Watch out for them. No, you want a vintage bar with a serial number. Look at this one, thousand bucks for a 10-ounce bar. Boy, that came quick. Look at that, 847. Now, you think anybody has a box of those is happy they put away vintage silver? Those are made in Canada, and of course very rare, but I'm telling you, vintage silver, man, it really has legs. Okay, did I do 100-ounce bars yet? Maybe not. You can get a 100-ounce bar, not bad, $30.75. You'd be at $29.75 after rebates, $15 shipping. Decent seller, and okay, he's beat this up a bit. That's a suspect photo, though. I don't like his photo. He's cropped out the background. Now he may not be knowledgeable enough to not do that because he's making his bar look like a fake. But anyway, you make him an offer of 3,000 and get that out the door at 29. You're under spot on 100 ounces of silver, and that's an RCM bar. And look at that, 4 nines, guys. That's an RCM bar, isn't it? Royal Canadian Mint. Pick that up, somebody. That's good bulk silver right there. I just don't think he took a good picture. And he is already 35 bucks under market, 40 bucks under market, and you can snap him another 50 cents. He probably took it to his coin shop that offered him $3 back because he doesn't know where we all sell, we sell. And take advantage of him right there. He needs the money, and you need the bar. Very nice. You can melt it in that Devil Forge. Okay, and I like the piece and the Morgan dollars in the tubes, guys. I just like the BU in the tubes, unadulterated. It hasn't come out of circulation, all beat up. I know you can buy those for 25 bucks, but here you can get the piece dollars, BU, 100-year-old coins, never touched. For 34 bucks, 33 after rebates. In my mind, that's worth it every day of the week because it's kind of a numismatic, isn't it really? If you don't think it's a numismatic, why are you paying so much for it? So, in numismatics, the best coin wins. Not the crappiest coin, unless you're doing lowball, NGC or something like that, which I won't go into. Okay, cheapest platinum coin this morning is going to be over 1,034. Oh, that's a bar. I want a coin. I guess I did bars here, 1,034, about $1,000 out the door for platinum bars, and I won't do the platinum eagles. Cheapest 1/10 gold, if you're buying gold, and I think you ought to be. 286 for a random coin from BGASC. Random quarter-ounce gold, cheapest price is, we're going to skip that guy, I don't like him. 697 from Liberty. Big sellers, good reputations. You know these guys. You're just buying it cheaper on eBay. And if you get that 3% rebate, it's going to work. Here's a quarter-ounce gold eagle, 734, about 20 bucks off on that with a 3% rebate. Half-ounce gold, random gold, is going to be about... I'm going to get past the ugly head coins, and we're going to go to 1385 minus 3%. 3% there is going to be about 45 bucks. Okay, half-ounce Krugerrand on eBay, 1394, and 40 bucks off puts you about 1350 on that random BU Krugerrand. Okay, so Liberty Coin has got it over here. You can compare it to their site. It seems like a push. Let's go to random 1-ounce gold. Random 1-ounce gold gets as cheap as, not 24.84. What is going on here? Okay, 27.05, and then you're going to take 85 bucks off. You're going to be at 26.30 on a Krugerrand. That's a good price on a Krugerrand, and it looks uncirculated. That's from Pinehurst, so you may want to buy that Krugerrand right there. And then moving up to a 1-ounce gold eagle, you can get that for $27.60 from bullion.com. It is BU, good seller, $27.67. $27.67 for the ounce, times 0.97 if you're rolling with the credit cards, and that's going to be $26.83, and this is always going to be cheaper than the dealer's price if you have those credit card rebates. They engineer, so 26.83 versus best price anywhere on the internet, 27.09, save 30 bucks. Because they engineer their eBay prices for a 2% credit card or a 1.5% credit card. And when we go in there and slam that 3% credit card, we get a deal and you reduce your buy sell spread. Okay, that's enough about gold. Same with a Buffalo. Those are going to be cheaper on eBay as well. Okay, what else do you need here? And I don't know. Here's my eBay store. Just click this link if you want to get in there. Ask me for a friend discount. Here's my bars. If I owe you a bar this month, remind me and I'll get that out to you. That's a vintage bar that is gone. Okay, and Star Privy Eagles. What are they selling for on eBay? Why don't I have buy it now here? I don't know why I screwed that up. They're going for 47 bucks on eBay. Okay, I pulled mine out of the tube. I'm going to put them in capsules, which I also bought on eBay. Get the best deal on capsules on eBay if you shop a little bit. And here's ways to store your silver in an empty monster box, a way to bury your gold and your silver and your bullet and your ammo. And there's the food saver I like. Get everything sealed there so it's good for prosperity. Okay, and if you need to get a watch, check out this expert checked listing for eBay. Secondary market watches on eBay. There's more to tangible assets than silver and gold. And I had a couple questions. I can't recall them. Here's the Devil Forge, which I do recommend. Here's the Amex card, which I highly recommend to get yourself 3% cash back. That works really well on eBay. That works on Amazon. That works at Walmart. Yeah, it works on Walmart if you check out through PayPal, and it works at the grocery store. By the way, did you see? How am I already at 21 minutes on this segment? Did you see my grocery store raised their prices like crazy? I mean, like 10-20% in January. So that Amex card, you really want to click on that and get that listing. The PayPal card isn't working for me, but I think it'll work for you, and that's unlimited. Amex card is limited to $6,000 a year. Okay, and I'm checking out new cards. I'm checking out the Alliant card right now. I got a credit app into them. Okay, the Odin bar, I think the 10 ounce is out of stock again, and other past picks of the day, and I don't have time to do any more. I just got to get down to the coin shops. Check out all 3 coin shops. Vermilion is back in the saddle. You got Minot. I don't know what's up with them. You got Coin Huskers, has had the best deal on junk and generic in recent memory. And if you support my work, I greatly appreciate it. All this is free to you. So if you want to give back with a subscription to Bolden, you'll really appreciate it. I'm a paid member of Bolden Retirement Planning Software, and the cups of coffee are appreciated. And if you want to really join the inner circle and get unlimited access to me and ask for video topics and buy my poured silver really cheap, you can join the membership channel here for $4.99 a month, and then I will greatly appreciate you. Okay, guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up if you don't mind. Subscribe if you want to see more. Get over to the website and get into the chat room if you want to mix it up with the smart people over there. And then if you want to get together for peer-to-peer trading, check my video from yesterday. And you can, you reach out to people in the chat room. That'd be the best place to do it. And there is private chat in there as well. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.